Hey there, I'm Ayana, your dedicated guide to Achaibo Clinical. Welcome to our vibrant community, where we're all about empowering you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need to excel in clinical research. At Achaibo Clinical, our mission is to empower the global clinical research community through cutting-edge AI-powered education. We are dedicated to creating a diverse, inclusive environment where every professional, no matter where they are in their journey, can thrive and excel. Our vision is to revolutionize clinical research by providing you with the tools, knowledge, and support you need to make a lasting impact in the healthcare industry. We're thrilled to introduce you to our comprehensive range of course bundles, each designed with your success in mind. Before we dive into our comprehensive range of bundles, I want to emphasize that every course and tool we've designed is built with your success in mind. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, we have something tailored to meet your needs and help you achieve your goals. Now let's explore what we have to offer. First up, the Achaibo Clinical Insider Access. This is your all-in-one solution, providing access to all of our programs, courses, and GPT tools. With this bundle, you're not just learning, you're transforming your career. Key features include bi-weekly coaching calls, exclusive community access through our Ask Achaibo Telegram group, and of course, the full suite of AI-powered GPT tools. This bundle is available for $999 per month, or you can save 20% with an annual payment of $999. Next, we have the Clinical Research Foundations Toolkit. This bundle is perfect for those just getting started. It includes our flagship programs, the Ultimate Clinical Research Monitor Training Program and the Ultimate Clinical Research Toolbox. These courses provide the essential knowledge you need to excel in clinical research. You'll also gain access to the Clinical Research Site Companion GPT and the Ultimate Clinical Research Toolbox GPT. Key features include bi-weekly coaching calls and exclusive community access. Pricing is $549 as a one-time payment, or you can choose 3 monthly payments of $199. For those aiming to master clinical research, we offer the Clinical Mastery Bundle. This bundle includes the Ultimate Clinical Research Toolbox, the Ultimate Clinical Research Monitor Training Program, GCP Training Intensive, and the Marketing and Branding course. You'll also get access to multiple GPT tools, including the Clinical Career Compass GPT and the Monitoring Genie GPT. This bundle is priced at $749 as a one-time payment or 3 monthly payments of $269. The Clinical Operations Excellence Bundle is ideal for professionals focused on the operational aspects of clinical research. It includes the Ultimate Clinical Research Toolbox, GCP Training Intensive, and GCP Terms and Definitions. Plus, you'll have access to GPT tools like the GCP Compliance Advisor and the Clinical Research Site Companion. Pricing is $649 as a one-time payment or 3 monthly payments of $229. If compliance is your priority, the GCP Compliance Mastery Bundle is what you need. This bundle includes the GCP Compliance Advisor GPT, GCP Terms and Definitions, and the GCP Training Intensive course. It's designed to help you stay compliant and ahead of the curve. You can get this bundle for $399 as a one-time payment, or 3 monthly payments of $140. The Clinical Research Masterclass Bundle offers in-depth insights into clinical research through a collection of webinar replays and weekly coaching sessions. It also includes the Clinical Trials Connector GPT, which is perfect for those looking to understand the complexities of clinical trials. This bundle is available for $499 as a one-time payment or 3 monthly payments of $179. For those seeking inspiration and motivation, the Resilient Researcher Bundle is designed to build resilience and maintain motivation in your career. It includes the Sunday Success Mindset series and Monday Motivation. While it doesn't include AI tools for now, it's perfect for personal and professional growth. Pricing is $349 as a one-time payment, or 3 monthly payments of $120. The Clinical Branding Brilliance Bundle is for those looking to stand out in the competitive field of clinical research. It includes the Ultimate Marketing and Branding course and the Clinical Career Compass GPT, among others. This bundle is priced at $399 as a one-time payment, or 3 monthly payments of $149. Lastly, we have the Ultimate Clinical GPT Suite. This is your comprehensive AI-powered solution, offering access to 6 specialized GPT tools that cover everything from site management to compliance. This bundle is available for $99 per month with a 7-day free trial. Or you can save 20% with an annual payment of $999. At Achaibo Clinical, we're more than just a learning platform. We're a community committed to your success. By joining us, you're taking a bold step toward transforming your career and making a real difference in clinical research. Don't forget to sign up for our bi-weekly coaching calls if you've enrolled in any of our programs. It's your chance to get personalized guidance and ensure you're on the right track. And make sure to join our exclusive Ask Achaibo group on Telegram, where you can get your questions answered and connect with other learners. Welcome to the next chapter of your professional journey. Let's get started and elevate your clinical research career to new heights. Together, we will achieve great things.